I was doing like so much practice just on my own when I couldn't do runs, and I was so focused on doing Twilight Princess and some Sunburn here and there for the essay runs. But now I can like finally do runs for 120. See how much the practice has paid off. Has anybody be bothered that I don't have a face cam on anymore? Just asking for a friend. That friend is me. Almost messed up that. I went Shivar otherwise. No! What the hell is that? That should be it. I hope I didn't go too far right. Oh my god. Well, let's watch it then. Alright, fine. Are you serious? Look at the movement. Ooh, let's go. Nice. Not nice. Give me that giant time save. I want to be ahead. I call that bullshit. Like, seriously. Where's my speed? I wanna go fast. I wanna go fast! It doesn't allow me to go fast. What happened to the run, man? It's a minute ahead. Now I'm behind. Hey, perfect fight. That was a tough skill. If you blinked, you missed it. It was already over when I started the fight. Heals, okay, man. Okay, they're hard to shine. I've put all my practice to this. Okay, it's over. Phew! Can't believe I got it. Ooh, still got it. Let's go. Well, that's very ripped because I need to get the Hover Nozzle. I can't get there. It's impossible. I'm pretty sure it's impossible for me to get there with the Turbo Nozzle now. We're still ahead, but that's a big time loss. Is this the power of practice in a background for a week or two? The power of bingo. Yeah. If I do pin at 2 reds early, it's very hard shine if you do it with the fastest strats. I don't know, honestly. I think it's like you don't have to scroll that far, but... Oh, one thing is that you don't get an event cutscene before you have Yoshi. Am I from Sweden? I'm from Finland, but close. Hey, 306.30, let's go! I beat my time by a minute. Mid 306. Dude, that was awesome. Like, the run was all over the place too. I had a dead in like Peanut 2, some more big mistakes here and there. No, I died in Rico 4 too. I had 2 deaths in this run. Let's go though, new personal best. Oh, I should get some water. Perfect. I can explain it in a bit. I'm not dying. I'm not dying here. Okay. No! What? No! No! Hit him. Wake him up. That was a gold. Let's go. What I've started to do every weekend when the weekend starts is buy the usual amount of snacks. Because I know that weekends now, so I can just like I can just cough like this. Oh my god, dude. Move. He's like, nope. When he's moving his head like that. Oh my god. I didn't expect him to go and actually spend that much time. Move! Oh my god. It's not the blue gun that I'm scared of now, it's the honey skip somehow. Like, I'd rather enter the cutscene than fail the honey skip. But I should have got it. That was actually insanely close. I pretty much landed at the same time when it appeared. That was so goddamn close. I almost bonked to him. Time to enter the fun part of the run. Mid-game and late game. Mid-game especially. Where's the bird? Seriously, where's the bird? It's always supposed to be there. You freaking ass. It's just flying away, I didn't even see it. Well, that was a big time loss. Thanks to the burp. I can't wait for Gelato Beach birds too. No birds, okay. They're both gone. They don't exist. Like, they don't exist. They really don't exist. They really don't exist. No! Unbelievable. They didn't exist, chat. They didn't exist. Is that possible to know what are you using to record my Wii? You would like to record your runs to see your progression? I use our media LGP. I have answers to some of those, like specs and what stuff I'm using in the description of my channel. I missed it! Oh my god, dude. Every time something goes wrong with that. I had it pretty much. I just had to go slightly to the left. Good thing my phone is in mute. And something is calling me again, and guess what? It's from UK! Just, they're so freaking persistent. Also the hardest shine, let's go. Oh! You see how hard it is? I thought I had it. They really wanna keep calling for 2 minutes straight. You can't have a better life than doing scam dolls, seriously. Okay, now it stopped. No, it didn't. Oh my god. They actually have been calling me for 5 minutes! Like, seriously! The UK government? Yeah, what do they have something to do with the Finnish citizen? Imagine it's actually not a scam call, and it's a United Kingdom screen that called me. Imagine the amount of disrespect.
Philip, it's time. We're going to Finland.
Perfect! Okay, not too bad. Very nice. Running against the gold split. Just call it again, I guess. Alright, let's get that low 3 hours 4 minutes. What a run, what a roller coaster. I lost a minute in Pianta 2 visit split. Corona was kinda messed up and some stuff in a Pianta village. But Bianca 3 visit was awesome, and there's so many good splits everywhere. Actual perfect fight. Oh, oops. Well, I guess I'll finish it in a style. That was an accident! That rocket storage there was an accident or something. 3 hours, 4 minutes and 8 seconds. That is pretty great.